Okay. So good morning, all of you.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Ma'am.
Good morning, Sridev, Pooja, Lynette, Henin. How are you all?
Morning, ma'am. I'm fine.
Started practicing your program, Onam program. Okay. So last day we started. We studied about total curved surface area and total surface area of cylinder, isn't it? Sridev, what is the formula for finding curved surface area of a cylinder? Sridev.
2 pi r h.
2 pi r h. Can total surface area? Can total surface area of cylinder? Total surface area of cylinder?
2 into R plus H.
2 into r plus h. Can total surface area of a cylinder? Suryadev, total surface area of cylinder?
2 pi r and 2 pi r into r plus
2
h.
pi r into r plus h. Can write 15 times k after our class. Then send to my personal number. Okay, Ken? Okay. Okay. Now we will do the next question. This one is over, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
What about this question? We did this one, a closed cylindrical tank. We did this one?
No.
So write the question. Write the question.
And can you show the previous question?
Sealing that we did. Cuboids. Write this question. A closed cylindrical tank. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter made up of made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? Very simple question. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7. So R is equal to 7. R is equal to 7. R is equal to 7 and height is 3. H is equal to 3 meter. And that tank is made up of a sheet of metals. So how much sheet we need? That was the question. So what we need to find, Advait Murali, what we need to find? We have to find tank is made up of metal sheet. So we need to find, this is cylindrical in shape. So what we need to find for getting how much sheet we need for making that tank? Yes? Louder, please. We are making total surface area. Very good. We have to find the total surface area of the cylinder. So write total surface area of the cylinder. Formula. Write the formula. Total surface area of the cylinder. Total surface area of the cylinder. Lynette, formula.
2 pi r into r plus h.
2 pi r into r plus h equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r7, 7 plus 3. Find. Equal to equal to
440.
440 meter square. Thus 440 meter square metal sheet is required. Metal sheet is required. A bit over. Do you write? A bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the total surface area of a cylinder?
2 pi r into
2 pi
r
r
plus
in,
h.
2 pi r into r plus h. Okay. Right. Next question. Read the question. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder. Lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4,224 centimeters square.
Ma'am, can you show the previous question once again? Okay, ma'am.
It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. Write the question and read it. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder. When it cuts, we know that it becomes, when a cylinder cuts along its height, a hollow cylinder, when we cut a hollow cylinder along its height, it will become a rectangular sheet. And lateral surface area of the cylinder is given. The lateral surface area of the cylinder will be equal to the area of the rectangular sheet when we cut. Vaishnavi, did you write the question?
No, ma'am.
Write it.
Ma'am, can you show it again?
Is the question is the
No, ma'am,
lateral?
in between it went.
Huh?
In
Yes.
between it went. That's what it is.
LSA of cylinder is given 4,224 centimeters square. Vaishnavi, Vaishnavi, can you hear me, Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi, what we have to find here in this question? We need to find. What was the question? What we need to find in this question? We have to find, Vaishnavi?
Ma'am, can I read the question once more?
Read, sure. Okay, read loudly. Did you write it? Then read loudly.
Yes, ma'am.
Read loudly.
Lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4,224 centimeters square.
Okay.
It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of rectangular sheet.
If you want, you can read once again. If you want, otherwise you have to answer. Shall I ask questions? Do you understand the question?
Yes, ma'am.
So my question is, what we need to find here?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the
perimeter of the
perimeter of the
Perimeter of the rectangle. How that perimeter comes from? How we are getting that? How we are getting that rectangle, not perimeter. How
And
we are,
the cylinder
Ma'am,
is
we are
cut.
cutting
When the
the
cylinder is cut
when we cutting the cylinder, can you imagine that a cylinder can be cut through its height? See, I will show you. See, suppose this is a hollow cylinder. This is a hollow cylinder. When we cut along its height, it become a rectangular sheet. Area of the cylinder is given. Curved surface area of the cylinder is given. Okay, so curved surface area become the area of the rectangle. So the curved surface area 4224 will be the area of the rectangular sheet. Understood all of you that conversion? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And height means height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder will be the breadth of the height of the cylinder will be the breadth of the rectangle. Length we don't know. We have to find the length. But area is given. Area of rectangle is LB. B is given. L we can find. Okay. All of you understood the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So LSA of a cylinder is 4224. Let L be the length of rectangle. L be the length of the rectangle and breadth B equal to, breadth is given. Breadth of the rectangle
33 centimeter.
rectangle is equal to 33 centimeter. Okay. So LB equal to what? LB equal to 4224. Because the curved surface area will be the area of the rectangle. Reason you can write, because since LSA of cylinder is equal to area of rectangle. Both are equal. So L we don't know. So L equal to 4224 by 33. Find L.
Centimeter. Ma'am, 128 centimeter.
Very good. 128 centimeter. 128 centimeters. Now we got L and breadth of the rectangle. So you can find its perimeter. Find perimeter of rectangular sheet.
322 centimeter.
Okay. Now perimeter of rectangular sheet. Sheet equal to 2 into L plus B, 2 into 128 plus 33. 2 into 128 plus 33. Two into 128 plus 33.
Ma'am, 422.
How much? Albert Lyson.
Yes, ma'am.
How much it is perimeter?
322.
322. 322 centimeter. 322 centimeter. Here, curved surface area of the cylinder is converted into the area of the rectangular sheet. When we cut the cylinder through its height, it becomes a rectangular sheet. The curved surface area or lateral surface area of cylinder will be the area of the rectangle. That we know what is the formula for area of rectangle. It is LB. B will be the height of the cylinder. It is 33. So L into 33 equal to 4,224. Clear, Sridev and Anashwara? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, now write next question. Friday, children, Friday you will have a class test. Okay. From this chapter, mensuration, surface area and surface area of cuboid cylinder. Area of the polygon, and surface area of shapes, solid shapes. Okay. Area of polygons and surface area of the solid shapes, cuboid and cylinder. So from the beginning of this lesson until surface area, till that surface area of cuboid and cylinder.
Then there is a mistake in the question.
Question?
There is a mistake.
Louder.
And there is a mistake in the question.
I can't hear. What do you want? What he's saying? Anybody else? If anybody else can hear, tell me what he's saying. Huh?
Mistake in the question.
Who's saying that? Who's saying that? Advait, what do you want? I can't hear you. Say loudly.
Then there is a mistake in the question.
And he's saying there is a mistake in the question.
Okay. That I will check. A rod roller. Okay, I will read from the text. A rod roller takes 750 complete revolutions to move. Find the area, isn't it now? Is this Advait?
Yes.
Okay. Find the area of the road. Okay. Find the area of the road if the diameter of a rod roller is 84 centimeter and length is 1 meter. Length is 1 meter. Ritvik, read the question. Ritvik. Read.
A rod roller takes 750 complete revolution to move once over to level a road.
Okay.
Find the area of the road if the diameter of a rod roller is 84 centimeter and length is 1 meter.
1 meter. So all of you know what is a rod roller. What is the shape of rod roller? Shape of rod roller is? Cylinder. So we can write the rod roller. The roller has the shape of a cylinder. Shape of a cylinder. Okay. So road roller is revolving for leveling the road. Okay. So for one revolution, how much area it will cover? Benedict. For one revolution, how much area it will cover? I'm asking the not the correct answer. What we have to find to get how much area it will cover for one revolution?
The curved surface
Curved surface area, yes, good. When it rolls or when it revolves, its curved surface area will move. Okay, such 750 revolutions are there. Okay, so first we will find how much area it will cover for one revolution. Then into 750, we will get the answer. Okay, so rod roller has the shape of cylinder and a radius is given. Radius of the rod roller is radius of rod roller is radius of the rod roller is, say, what is the radius of rod roller?
42.
A bit. How can we find the radius of rod roller?
Diameter by 2.
Diameter by 2.
Diameter.
Ma'am, diameter divided
Okay,
by 2.
Abid, answer me. Abid. Radius of rod roller is?
Diameter divided by 2.
Diameter how much? 84 by 2 equal to?
42.
42 centimeter. Okay, good. 42 centimeter. Okay. Now height is given. Height equal to 1 meter. So it is 100 centimeter because other radius is given in centimeter. So height is equal to 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. Now we will find, okay, before that, Anashwara,
Yes, ma'am.
what we need to find to get the area covered by the rod roller in one revolution? We need to find, Anashwara, the rod roller takes one revolution. So to get how much area it levels during one revolution, what we need to find? Here.
Area.
Which area? Simply area?
Ma'am.
Ah.
No, area.
Which area? Rod roller.
Cylinder.
Imagine the rod roller. It moves one revolution. So which
Cylinder.
Cylinders? Which area? Is the total area of the cylinder? Anashwara. Yes, CSA. Curved surface area. The curved surface area rolls. When a rod roller rolls, the curved surface area, its curved surface area is moving. Okay. That curved portion is moving. So it covers the curved surface area of the cylinder. So what is the formula, Anashwara? Anashwara, what is the formula for curved surface area?
2 pi. 2 pi r.
Anashwara, tell me. Curved
1
surface
2 pi
area.
r h.
2 pi r h. So CSA. Okay. CSA of rod roller equal to 2 pi RH equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into R is, Anashwara, R?
Ma'am, 42 centimeter.
Into H?
100.
Find the value equal to. Lakshmi CV. Lakshmi. Answer is?
I'm doing.
Do it. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
What answer? Yes.
20,
Tell me.
26,400.
26,400. 400.
centimeter square.
Centimeter square. It is the area leveled by the road roller in one revolution. So it is the area leveled by the road roller in one revolution. In one revolution equal to 26,400 centimeter square. How many such revolutions are there for leveling that road?
750.
750. Okay. So what we need to do next?
Divide it by 10.
In area leveled. 1 second. Okay. Area leveled in 750 revolution. Area leveled in 750 revolutions. Is equal to Lakshmi Nandakumar. It is equal to area leveled in 750 revolutions is equal to how we will find? Area leveled in one revolution is 26,400. So in 750 revolutions, how much area it will be leveled? Louder, Lakshmi, louder. I can't hear you, Lakshmi. Nivedya, Lakshmi has some problem. Nivedya. Area level. What was area leveled in 750 revolutions?
26,400 by 750.
By?
Divided by.
Area leveled by the road roller in one revolution is 26,400.
Sorry, ma'am. Into 750.
750 into 26,400. And it is equal to, this is centimeter square. We can convert the centimeter square into meter square. This is large area now. So 750 into 26,400. How can we change centimeter square into meter square, Nivedya? Change centimeter square into meter square. Nivedya.
By 100.
Change centimeter square into meter square, Nivedya. Not centimeter into meter. It is centimeter square into meter square. How?
Into 100.
Only 100?
100 into 100.
What you say, into 100 or divided by 100? Nivedya, think. We are converting centimeter square into meter square. How can we change this centimeter square 750 into 26,400 centimeter square? We need to change into meter square. Many questions we have did in this type. For changing centimeter into meter, what, Nivedya? Converting centimeter into meter, what we will do?
By 100.
By 100. So for converting centimeter square into meter square, what we have to do?
By into 100 into 100.
Yes. What you are saying, into or divided by? Fix it.
Ma'am, 26,400 by 100 into 100.
100. Okay. Divided by 100. You said divided by, isn't it? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Find out. We can cancel 3 zeros.
Ma'am.
Ma'am. Okay.
1,980 square.
1,000
980 meters square.
meters square. 1,980 meters square. 1,980 meters square. Therefore, the area leveled by the road roller is. Therefore, area leveled by the roller is equal to 1,980 meters square. Advait Sinoop, Advait, for converting centimeter square into meter square, what we have to find, what we have to do? How can we convert centimeter square into meter square? Advait Sinoop. Unmute and say, how can we convert centimeter square into meter square? How can we convert centimeter into meter? Centimeter into meter divided by louder. Unmute and say, Advait, unmute. Advait, say, centimeter into meter. How can we convert centimeter into meter, Advait? I can't hear you. Unmute and say, then only I can hear you. I think you have doubts in that conversion. Surya Dev, how can we convert centimeter into meter? Surya Dev. Surya Dev, how we can convert centimeter into meter?
Ma'am,
How can we convert centimeter into meter? Surya Dev. Nandana Sharath, how can we convert centimeter into meter?
Ma'am, by 100.
Divided by 100. So for converting centimeter square into meter square, what we will do?
Ma'am, by 100 into 100.
By divided by 100 into 100. Okay. See children, I think you have confusion in the conversion of centimeter, meter and millimeter. Okay. I will send some questions. I will send some, yes. You are saying something.
I done in another method.
Yes, Benedict?
For this another method.
You have a method? Okay, dear. Okay, what we will do, we will discuss that the next period. We have one more period today, isn't it? No, only one period. Anyway, next period we will discuss on this conversion of units. Okay, Benedict, we will discuss in the next period. Okay.
Yes,
okay. Okay, dear students. Okay, bye all of you. My time is up.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
bye.
Thank you, ma'am.